Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone. Cross my heart and break my bones. Now they say they wanna ride for me. Now they say they wanna fight for me. Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. I sat back and watch. Had to change the plot. Now kept switching up. Yeah, yeah. Never needed love. Cause it's too corrupt. So I had enough.
Go ahead and strip it. I think we'll start off with these 4 screws here. We'll come around the back and take those 2 off over there, and then we'll get this gas can off, and we'll get this off. We'll just go for it. There's no nuts on these 2 tops. There's no nuts, but there is a washer that will probably fall off, so you're going to want to keep that washer, of course. Yep. 10 millimeter for the nut. Okay. To the back. Slide this off. So yeah, six screws. Don't lose these washers right here. See these washers? I'm sure they'll fall off. 3. Yep, it's a 3. We'll just do it by hand. So yeah, we're on the gas tank. The faux gas tank. Do you have to take this off? I don't think you do, but probably a pain to work around, so we'll take it off anyway. Alright, so we're taking these 6 off. Here we go. 1. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, there is a nut. It's just inside the plastic. Alright, I get it. These are just regular screwdrivers with nuts. Pull these batteries out and put the new setup in, man. I do want to get the new brakes installed as well. All right, so next what we're doing, take this battery tray off, take the controller off, and disconnect that. Let's do that. No nut. You can use it for the controller. This battery all together, controller, 4 millimeter. Okay, I'll take the controller out. Power is on the 36 volts. Go ahead and turn it on. It still works. Here we go. So that's 36 volt stop. Okay. Okay, once that's done, good. Another zip tie right here. Cut it. Good. Let's free the motor from the controller. Good. All right. Now we brake. This is your brake. You can unplug the brake. We'll disconnect this from the plastic pieces. So I was able to just wedge my my gun in to get it off with the 4 millimeter. This is still on. Nothing to grab. There we go. There we go. So I just used the bit. So I had something to grab. I was able to wiggle this around. See, there's no friction. Boom, we don't have to use that again. Let me take this shield off. Shield. Just go ahead and disconnect everything from the controller. Everything. Okay. On this. Taking this off. I'm gonna use that. And boom. Just pull one out at a time, man. Or whatever you want to do. Okay, good. Well, take these grips off. Oh, 3 is even smaller. It's a 3. All right. Loosen this. Boom. Slide that off. Put that through there. Take these damn brakes off. That's enough, I think. It'll slide off. I don't want to have it come all the way off. Just want to slide it off. Okay. Yeah, I gotta disconnect after this. Slide this off. That's your back brake. Let's go ahead and take the motor off and the chain and shit. I'm just taking the chain guard off. So this is a definite screw you want to save. And same with this one in the back. Boom, 2 screws to the side. It is a 5. So we got a total of 3 screws. With 3 washers. You got a lock nut washer and a bend anything. Same thing. I'm holding that motor. 5mm. There we go. Boom. It's gonna free that motor. There it goes. Okay, yeah, it'll drop down. You just gotta get that damn chain tensioner out of the way. This is already unplugged. We gotta take some snips. Unsnip the motor wire. Boom, there goes the motor. There we go, man. The motor's looking real good up in there. Have to clean it up a little bit. Pretty badass controller. Look at that heatsink. Man, I wish I could have that on the outside. But put the controller sideways. Oh, I haven't seen anybody do that yet. What would be the big deal? Perfect, that fits in that tray. It fits so perfect, dude. That's awesome, bro. It's awesome. So our negative wire is here. Okay, it's all color coded. Yellow, green, blue. Perfect. This will plug into, yep. Boom. Let's take this stuff out. For throttle. You got a voltage meter. There's the other grip and the key. So this throttle will then go through down to there and plug into this one right here. Alright, so we got the throttle on. I guess I'm just gonna zip tie it like that. Plug that in. Then your voltage meter here is gonna go on the other side before we put the other and key. Before we put the other grip on, I'm gonna have to loosen that screw real quick, and then I'm gonna take these brakes off. Tighten this voltmeter down. This is actually a 2.5. Perfect. MX grips. Okay. There it is. Okay, once it clicks, you're good. Now this, where's the other end? This green wire is gonna plug into this wire here. This for the voltage meter. Till it clicks. Voila. The only thing that we have to do, I think my battery should be done by now. Let's check it, make sure it works. After that, I'll have to do the brakes, which means I'll have to take the tires off and shit. And then we'll basically be done with the plastic. Let's check this thing out, man. Alright. Plug this in. So we should be only running on 48 volts, so what, 54? Because this isn't the 72 volt battery. Keys on the left. 53.9. Sweet. We'll go to the lowest mode and give it a quick little rum. That right there is substantial. I'm gonna put it on my foot as opposed to my floor because I don't have the brakes on. Sure. Electro and Co on that side. We'll put the maybe put the purple on the other. Put this one on the other side. Just realized I had put the throttle grip and twist throttle before I put the new brakes on. Same on this side. So I'm gonna have to take that grip back off and put the back brake on. Yeah. That's it actually, just those two, yeah. But you're gonna also have to take this one out to get it through here. Alright, so we got rid of that front brake, rear brake. Okay, rear brake here. This brake figured out. Pain in the ass, but my own damn fault is what it is. So, perfect. Start going back on. And then we can tighten this back. Alright, just taking the back wheels off. Just a washer and a nut on the outsides. I'm gonna have to go and get something I can put up. I just use a brick. I'll pause it, put it up, take this tire off. I know there's spacers in there also. Let's take this plate off, this disc. You got a spacer on this side too, but you don't have a washer on the other end. The inside. So what we need washer on this side. Bolt. Now we're gonna need a washer on this side with a bolt. If you could, I don't know. There you go. Go through there. Now you can hug that up there, and then even hug all this here, like that. Perfect. This then goes, pull that out, and this will go just like this. And screws in like that. This one, good. Okay, good. Now we got the brakes done too, which is something I really wanted to get done, but probably going to be changing these forks and the swing arm in time to be able to put some bigger wheels, especially in the back. Put this through here also. Okay. Now you can. Hydros are on. Good. Tightened up.